Hi, this is Purnima Devi from SNSCT. Now I discuss about the uh, network and graphs in a data visualization. The network revolves an object and it will composed of elements and the relationship or connection between those elements. So in this network analysis, it is a collection of techniques for examining the relationship between the entities and the nodes and depicting the structure of these relationship. So then there are more number of data we are used in this process, so each data is related with some other data. This will be related with the edges. The relationship will be mentioned by using the edges. These network and graph visualization or powerful tool for understanding the complex data by representing the entities as nodes and their relationships as edge, and it will be the identification of pattern clusters and the insights that might be difficult to distance in a raw informations. So this graph theory provides a formal basis for the network analysis across the domains, and it will be provide a common language for describing the structures of the network. These visualization involves the relationship between the data elements. So some the network visualization is a method of representing the data connected or the data model as a graph, when where the nodes are represented as an entity and the edges will represent it as a relationship between the data which we are used in this particular organization. This graph visualization is a mathematical structure. It will consisting of nodes and edges, used model relationship and connections. The next key components, some key components we are used for this graph and the network process. So first one is node. It will be the individual data points or entities, some of the data which we are used in this particular organization is considered as a nodes. And the next one is the edges. This is the relationship between the nodes, or that is data between the relationship between the data which we are mentioned. And the main purpose of this data networks and graphs in data visualization is exploration and the analysis. It is used to visually explore and analyze the complex data sets, and it will identify the pattern clusters and the outliers. So it will be used for communication also. It will effectively communicate the complex information into the particular audience. Then it will be the problem solving process. It is due to understand and solve the problem in this particular area. We have to clearly mention that what we will be given to the particular audience. It will be visualed, so all the information can be retrieved using the visualization which template we are used. So the particular audience can have a decision making regarding that problem, and we use the visualization to reduce the problem what we can understand. So some of the examples of graph and visualization is, we are using the network graphs in social networks. So this will mapping the connection between people, organizations or groups, some others. The next is computer networks. So in this networks we are define the network devices, data flows between the datas, and the potential vulnerabilities what will be occurred. The next biological network, it representing the interactions between the genes, proteins and other biological entities. The next is transportation. This mapping the routes, location, traffic flows, that in this Google, if we are traveling into one place, that particular area have a heavy traffic, it will be mentioned as a reddish color in that Google map. So these are all the network and visualization which we are using the network and graphs. The next one is transportation network. These are the routes, location and design. The next is supply chain. It will visualize the relationship between suppliers and the manufacturer. And the next one is cyber security. It will detect the anomalies, potential threats in a network traffic. Some of the benefits is it will be improved understanding, it will be improve the understanding which we are used, and it will be pattern recognition, and it will be the main thing is it is a problem solving process, and it will enhance the communication for this process. Thank you.